Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna discuss on how to visualize keyboard strokes in Linux. I have found a lot of tools to visualize the keyboard strokes in Windows, but I haven't seen much tools in Linux, so I just want to record this video and show a couple of tools for visualizing keyboard strokes in Linux. So let's go inside the video. So the first tool I'm gonna discuss is called as Screenkey. So you can install this in a couple of ways. You can directly install it from apt-get in Linux. This is also available in different flavors of Linux versions as well. I'll just show you which these are available in. Screenkey. So I'll just type the Linux keyboard as well here. So maybe I'll just copy paste the GitLab repository which I found. So this is the Screenkey repository. If I go down to the readme, it shows this can be installed on Arch, Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora and Gentoo as well. I don't even know what this flavor of Linux is, but yeah, you can run Screenkey in all these flavors. So I'll just try to install it in Debian. Let's go install it. I'm already running as root, so it doesn't ask me for password. Yes, I want to continue. So after the installation, you just need to type Screenkey and enter. And now, as you can see, this program is running. And if you type any key, it will be shown like this. Special keys as well. Maybe ST, enter, Control A, Control C. If Control C, close the program. But what you need to do is you need to run this program in one terminal, and then you need to use another terminal for your commands. So just leave this terminal running and minimize it, and just utilize this terminal, and it will simply show you all the commands, all the keystrokes which you're typing here. This is one command, and I'll stop this command first. Oops. Yeah, it stopped. And another tool which you can leverage for keystroke visualization is KeyMon. I'll just show you that one as well. Sorry. So as you can see here, this is a Key-mon repository, and you can just clone this repository and run the tool. I'll just do that. I'll copy the link and I'll go to the terminal. I want to close these terminals, and I want to make the single terminal bigger so that you can see clearly. So I'll make a directory Key-mon. I will change the directory, and I will git clone. Yep, it is finished. Let's see what is there inside. So I can see there is a source. I'll just go to the source. Now I can see a program there. And I guess I can run it. And if you run it, you can see on the top right corner there is a simple UI which is showing whatever commands I type here. See, D, S, D, Control A, Control B. So you can see all the commands there. Control C, enter. So all the keystrokes, you can just look at the GUI, but I liked Screenkey better than this Key-mon because it just kind of gets overlay visualization, which is very cool and easy to follow rather than just following this UI here on the right top corner. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.